To use the heater without a remote, press the mode button. The display will go into service. We want to push it 2 times to go to timeout. That gives us 3 hours of work time. We're going to press the V button. It's in pool mode right now. We're going to press the V 1 time. It'll change to spa. The automatic valves, you got 2 of them. You can see them both turning. One here and one here. And then hit filter pump and heater. The heater will indicate here. And the heater will turn on right here. You can see it lit up. And then the fan will come on and it will light. And when you're finished, come back over here and turn the heater off. And put it back. It's the mode button to auto and it will take care of everything else. Simple as that.